never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
Let's
show
go.
up.
I wake up a little bit. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the big time. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll show up. I don't wanna hear the words. I'm never slow up. No, I don't take shit. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. I'll always show up for a minute. I'm ready to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the
Pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Yeah, it's my life, my strife, my right to fight.
If you wanna
Die
play
on.
tough and wanna hate
And this
this,
is my
I'll
game
always
to
show
play, to
up.
claim a
Niggas say
brand new name.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
I'm
no
a bit
love
nervous
for the
that I might screw
fakeness. If you wanna
everything
play
up
tough
that I've
and
ever
wanna
done.
hate
But what's
this,
the point
I'll
of living
always
if
show
you
up
ain't having
and
fun?
make a statement.
I guess I'll try this, try that, mind miss. Gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Stepping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh,
Could be so remarkable.
thoughts in my head, a collage they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, and knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, so I'm not.
Okay, let's go.
आराम से आराम से। हाँ भाई थोड़ा हो गया पूर्ण गाड़ी है। चलो आगे शार्प कट है ऊपर की ओर।
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't here yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
यहीं पे दिख रहा है, यहीं पे दिख रहा है।
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
वाला देख, हमको भी लेना है भाई। हाँ भाई, लोड़े एक कार वाले ये माधो चौक बस मैं आ रहा हूँ।
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I want you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 I'll never let you go.
हमारे पास अच्छी आ रही है। हाँ और आगे दिल्ली के जाने के ठीक है भाई, मतलब ज़्यादा पानी होता तो और मजा आता। देख नीचे पहले देख, नीचे पानी खतरनाक है वहाँ है। ऊपर ऊपर से मत कर ब्रो। नॉट बन कितना काटो दूसरों का हेलमेट पकड़ो, एक एक का फोटो निकाल दो, जल्दी से निकल जाएगा।
Day 4 today. We were riding towards Murdeshwar, and then we met this guy who came with us all the way from Pune on a modified VP design Bolt. Custom Bolt.
That is why the RSC team is unable to analyze
Which bike exactly it is.
Yeah.
And
So
it
they have
broke
given
down.
up on us.
So right now we are spending 2 minutes, 2 minutes silence for the bike and also
And
for the
later
rider.
that guy
And also for the rider.
who gonna beat once we reach out to hotel.
Yes.
He has promised us he will take us to Goa once again with all the expenses. So to make us cool down. So let's see.
And just because this bike getting fucked, we stopped like 2 kilometers before and we showed the bike to a mechanic and he said like we fixed the brake issue. But after 2 kilometers this guy managed to fuck us again and now here we are. Wait for part 2 guys.
Then
Wait
he is
for
also fucking us. Yeah.
And this is our gym trainer.
Yeah.
He has some
Become a
2-3
mechanic trainer.
words to say on this complete situation.
Wisdom,
Sir,
words of wisdom.
So you want to add your value
What are your
to
thoughts
this
on
vlog?
this complete
Can you add
situation?
your words of freedom, please?
This time we were supposed to leave Murdeshwar right now for good, but so what do you think, sir? Sir, like, why this situation happened? What was the root cause? What do you think?
of this fuck-all insan.
To the face?
आप हिंदी में सुना सकते हैं. हम बुरा नहीं मानेंगे.
इंग्लिश में मैं
मेरी 50 तमता है ना, वो गांव वाली है.
वो उनको भी समझ में आना चाहिए कितना लंबा डीप गाली दिया मैंने उनको.
So guys, part 2 of the bike repair. Me and Aditya went to bring a mechanic. So that also got late. Then these guys called NHI, the RSA service from the government one, which also come late. So now both of them came together. The mechanic is looking at the bike, and these guys are checking out what can be done. They are checking all the plugs and stuff. You can see. So we'll share the part 3. Part 2 is in progress. We'll keep you posted with the update. Mainly we have an update. Bike is completed. Feels like it started now.
Finally guys, finally.
दो शब्द आप भी बोल लो.
आगे हमें भी गाइस He's okay. मंदिर का कुछ अरे वो मूर्ति का कुछ तो काम चल रहा है.
Guys, we are leaving towards Kurg now. It's been too late. As per the map, if we'll continually dive, we will reach around 153. We have these small little kids who's just waiting for us to leave. They wanted to click few pictures. They did, all of them, with the bikes. Now they just want us to leave. They're waiting for us to start the bike. My camera mounted just dropped, so I have to use a temp connector. Probably I'll fix it somewhere near around Kurg in only Kurg. There would be chances that I have to drive solo from Kurg to Pune, because these guys will take one more day there, and I don't have time because I have to go to receive some kids. So yeah, so I will be traveling alone. Aditya might join us. The chances are very less, but let's see. एक बार और दर्शन कर लेते हैं. Let's leave now. So we all are leaving now to go Karna. It's raining a little bit, so we all are geared up. The stability, please avoid, guys. The stability would not be that good because I'm just using this detachable mount, so that's the reason. Wherever we went, I don't think वहाँ पर ऐसा लोग थे. लाइक मैं आया था पहले भी 3 महीने पहले मुर्डेश्वर. भीड़ थी, लोग थे, काफ़ी अच्छा था. बट रेनी सीज़न में लोग हार्डली ट्रैवल करना पसंद करते हैं. आई थॉट पहाड़ों में जाना इज़ रिस्की बिकॉज देयर वी हैव लॉट ऑफ लैंडस्लाइड्स एंड ऑल. बट इवन इफ़ वी आर going towards beaches, that is also not that good because लोग ही नहीं हैं, भीड़ ही नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. I guess वाइज़र बंद करना पड़ेगा. बाय द वे थोड़ा हीट अप मूवमेंट हुआ मेरा. मुझे तो नो डाउट मतलब ऊपर 2-3 जगह नहीं देखनी थी मुर्डेश्वर में. सिर्फ मेन मंदिर के दर्शन करने थे, क्योंकि बाकी के तो मैंने कर ही रखे थे. एंड आई हैड लॉट ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स. फ्यू ऑफ अस वांटेड टू गो, बट आई आस्क्ड देम टू गो. बट होते हैं कुछ लोग थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट ज़्यादा हज़म नहीं हुए उनको. ठीक है, दैट्स ओके. लेट्स फिनिश दिस राइड एंड देन विल सी हाउ थिंग्स गोज अप. अभी भी it's 226 किलोमीटर लेफ्ट from here. So we stopped for like 5 minutes because it was raining so heavily that visibility was almost zero. The rain stopped for like hardly a minute, and then we went and then started again. So again it's raining a lot, but we're trying to cover it up. I'm not sure how much the camera is capturing because it's too dark here. There is no street light, nothing, though we have a lot of fog lamps installed on our bike, but still city called Gopaladi. Poor street lighting. The roads are good, no big potholes and stuff, but there is no street light at all. Street lights are installed, but again, मैंने अपना ज़्यादातर ब्लॉग इंग्लिश में शूट किया जितना कर पाया हूँ, बट अभी ये चौथा दिन ख़त्म होने को है. वी आर राइडिंग टुवर्ड्स कुर्ग और मेरे ख्याल से सबकी हालत ठीक नहीं है, तो हमने ज़्यादा राइड किया नहीं है, बट है थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम. होपफुली जो स्टे बुक किया है एयरबीएनबी के थ्रू वो बेटर हो, तो मज़े ही आ जाए. Let's see, let's cover as much as distance we can. It is showing 1:59, which is exactly 2. To the Airbnb we booked. किसी अच्छी जगह रुके होते तो थोड़ा एंटी फॉग स्प्रे मार लेते, क्योंकि हेलमेट बंद किया तो पूरा दिखना बंद हो जाता है. सो ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट्स हैलडी रोड. अगर कोई बोर्ड दिखेगा तो मैं बताऊंगा कहाँ पहुँचने वाले हैं.